Hello guys, today I will be showing
How
you.
to fix no SIM card error.
If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe.
So, if ever you encounter this problem, now you will learn how to troubleshoot and resolve the no SIM card issue on your phone. So, step one, you need to restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap to start or power off, then turn it back on. This often refreshes the system and reconnects to the SIM. Now, step two, remove and reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your phone again. Use a SIM ejector or paper clip to remove the SIM tray. Gently clean the SIM and reinsert it properly. Make sure it's seated firmly in the tray. Step 3, you need to check airplane mode. So swipe down and check if airplane mode is on. If enabled, turn it off and reconnect to the network. Step 4, switch network settings. So go to settings, go to SIM management, and then choose or select manually. Pick your carrier or network. Now, step 5, reset network settings. For Android, go to settings, go to system, and then you have to look for reset options. You can reset Wi Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. So, in other phone, maybe you can see it right away, but all you have to do is to reset network settings. This won't delete personal data, but will reset Wi Fi and Bluetooth settings. Step 6, lastly, try the SIM in another phone. Insert your SIM card in another phone. If it still doesn't work, the SIM might be damaged, so you need to contact customer support. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.